Hi everyone, Jai Shri Shankar, Jai Bholenath. Right now I am at Har Ki Pauri in Haridwar. So let's explore together with me the Har Ki Pauri in Haridwar, which is looking so amazing, which is one of the secret ghat which is located in Haridwar on the bank of river Ganges, which is flowing from here, which is also known as the Bhagirathi. And we know that very well that the Alaknanda, the confluence point of the Alaknanda and Bhagirathi river, which make as a Ganga at the Deoprayag. So after Deoprayag, it is known as the Ganga, which is flowing from Haridwar. So let's see the view of the Haridwar city. Really, it's a very amazing and very sacred city of India, which is also popular for Lord Shiva, Lord Ram and Lakshman, along with the goddess Sati, the first wife of Lord Shiva, also belongs from here, who was a Dakshayani, who was a daughter of Krishna. So let's see, this is the place, and there is also that temple is also located in Haridwar. So really it's looking so amazing here, and many more pilgrims and devotees are coming to visit this Har Ki Pauri in Haridwar. So even there are so many lots of ghat in Haridwar, but it is one of the most popular ghat in Haridwar, Har Ki Pauri. So bolo Jai Shiv Shankar, Jai Bholenath, Jai Ma Lakshmi and Jai Adi Shakti and Jai Shri Ram, Jai Shri Krishna. So let's explore together with me the Har Ki Pauri Haridwar. Jai Ma.
So again, hello friends. So today I have come to visit the Har Ki Pauri right now in Haridwar city to explore the all over the famous and sacred place in Haridwar city. So let's see the view of the Ganga river, which is flowing from the here. So we can see the view here. It is really as amazing as I had heard about the Har Ki Pauri a story from somebody. So it's really great experience for me which I'm getting here. So I have no words to how to describe it in my own language. So how many things are popular in Haridwar, I'm going to explain. So Haridwar is famous for lots of temples such as the Mansa Devi temple, one of the most popular temples, Sri Ma Chandi Devi temple on Nilkant Parvat. There is a Bharat Mata Mandir, Maya Devi Mandir, Daksh Mahadev temple and Sri Chintamani Parsavnath Jain temple. These are the most popular temple in Haridwar. And apart from that, there is a lots of famous temples and ashram which is located in Rishikesh, because Rishikesh is known as the international yoga center in the world. So an international capital of yoga also, which is located 22 km away from the Haridwar. So trains and bus are available both from Haridwar for Rishikesh and Yognagari Rishikesh. So the most popular temples in Rishikesh are the Shatrudhan temple, Sri Bharat Mandir, Kanjapuri Devi Mandir, Nilkant Mahadev temple, Bhutnath temple, Raghunath temple, Lakshman temple and Parmarth Niketan is one of the most popular place there and for learning yoga, and Gita Bhavan, Swarg Nivas and the Hanuman Mandir. These are the most popular temple in Rishikesh. So we know about the Haridwar. Come on, the Haridwar. So Haridwar is an ancient city, an important Hindu pilgrimage site in northern India, in Uttarakhand state, where the rivers Ganges exist, the Himalaya foothills, and the largest of the several steps, Ghas Bathing steps, which is located in Haridwar, and the one of the most popular is Har Ki Pauri, hosts a nightly Ganga Aarti, river worshipping ceremony, in which teeny flanking temples are floated off the steps. So worshippers fill the city during major festivals like the Kanwar Mela, held everywhere during the month of the Sawan. So today I came here on 26 October 2024 to visit the Haridwar and going to start Kedarnath and Badrinath Yatra from here. So this is my second time in Haridwar. First I came here on 10 September in 2024 and spent till 14 September 2024. I also went to Sonprayag to start my Kedarnath Yatra, but but returned due to the bad weather like the landslides or heavy rainfalls in month of September were there. So let's see and participate together in the Ganga Aarti during the evening time. So let's see and flow and listen this carefully. Har Har Mahadev, Jai Jai Shiv Shankar. Next, I will explain about the Har Ki Pauri and all over the Haridwar. So first, listen carefully about the Ganga Aarti evening, the river worshipping ceremony in front of the Ganga temple and Har Ki Pauri. So I am feeling so excited here, and this is my first Ganga Aarti ever. I am attending in Haridwar at Har Ki Pauri, batting the steps and ghat on the Ganges river. हर हर महादेव, जय जय शिव शंकर, जय भोलेनाथ, जय श्री राम, जय श्री कृष्ण, जय श्री ब्रह्मा विष्णु एवं महेश्वर, गुरु ब्रह्मा गुरु विष्णु गुरुदेव महेश्वरा, गुरु सत्य परम तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः। ओम अस्तो मा सद्गमय, तमसो मा ज्योतिगमय, मृत्यो मा मृत्युम गमय। ओम शांति शांति शांति। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे। आपदा मातरम दातरम सर्व संपदाम लोकाभिराम, श्री राम भूयो भूयो नमः मद्राय रामचंद्राय वेद से निवृताय पतये नमः। नीलांबुर चंद्र सीता समूर्ति पुरातम रघुवंशं नाथम। ओम भूर्दा भूरि देनो माध देम्बुरिया बराबुति दिव्यं बुद्धा प्रसिद्ध पुत्र सिद्धिकरण अनो भगवत्वराक्षी। ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय नमः। ओम विष्णवे नमः। जय श्री गंगा माँ। So this is the view of the Sandhya Aarti which is going on here right now. We can see the view, and really it is one of the best memory where I am getting here first in my life. First time I am attending the Ganga Aarti during the evening time. Even I have also attended the Godavari Aarti also in like I think I attended the Godavari Aarti which is located in Nasik. Yeah, in Nasik I attended the Godavari Aarti because when I was there, so I also attended the Godavari Aarti at the Ramkund, which is located just close to the one of the Shiv temple is there in Nasik, where I attended the evening Sandhya Aarti. So it was also very fantastic time for me, and realized. So let's see, lots of persons are enjoying here during the Sandhya Aarti, and even I cannot, I am not means it is one of the best wonder memory for me, and still I have to visit some historical place in all over the Rishikesh and Uttarakhand, along with the
along with the
feeling
places
so
like also Kedarnath, Badrinath,
enthusiasm
and
here
all over
after
the
coming to
places in lots of
participate in the
in
evening
Haridwar.
Ganga
DJ
Aarti
Dakshineshwar
here
ka
at Harki Pauri in
Mahadev
Haridwar.
temple, which is one of the best temple which I have to also visit. Mansa Devi temple and including the lots of temple. And in Haridwar
Har
there is
Har
also one
Mahadev,
bridge
Jai
which
Jai
is in the shape
Shiv
of
Jai
the Om,
Bholenath,
which I have to also visit that bridge. So let's
Jai
participate with me in the
Mahakal.
Aarti and Bolo Sri Har Har Mahadev, Har Har Shiv Shankar, Jai Bholenath. ओम तरम यजामहे सुगंधिं पुष्टिवर्धनम पूर्वारुगं संस्थितां मृत्युमूर्ति अमामृतां हर हर महादेव हर हर शिव शंकर ओम भूर्दा भूरिदे नो माधव्यम भूर्यावर भूरित्यम भूर्या भूषित पुतासुरभितर अनो भगस्वराक्षि ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय नमः ओम विष्णवे नमः ओम तरम यजामहे ओम नमः शिवाय ओम नमः शिवाय. So let's seek the place of goddess Ma Gange and Lord Shiva, because this is the place of Lord Shiva in Haridwar. We can go through here Kedarnath along with the Badrinath also from here. So let's see how the river water is flowing from here.
So we can see the flow of the water of Ganges river really is flowing so, and I am feeling also so awesome here to participate in Ganga Aarti at the night here. So finally Ganga Aarti has been completed and done. So let's see how the water is flowing here. Really it's a very, and I'm also feeling so awesome here because of the Ganga water is flowing, and I'm getting very good vibes here at this time. And I'm getting the also just only water is not flowing here, even the cold wind is also flowing right now. So it's a great experience wherever I got here. And really, so I'm going to explain more about the place of Harki Pauri. So let's see the view. Really it's a very unique view. So the most significant of the event is the Kumbh Mela, which is celebrated on every 12 years in Haridwar. So during the Kumbh Mela, millions of pilgrims, devotees and tourists congregate in Haridwar to perform the ritualistic bathings on the banks of Ganges to wash away their sins to attain moksha and salvation. So according to Puranic legend, Haridwar along with Ujjain, Nasik and Prayagraj is one of the 4 sites where drops of Amrit, which is the immorality accidentally spilled over the from a kumbh pitcher while being carried by celestial bird Garuda during the Samudra Manthan or the churning of the ocean of milk. So Brahma Kund, the spot where Amrit, nectar or honey dew fell, is located at Harki Pauri. Literally, the meaning of Harki Pauri is footsteps of the Lord, which is considered to be the most sacred part of Haridwar. Let's see some few persons are performing dance here in front of the Ganga temple. So really it's a very good experience. We can see how they are dancing very well in this time. Right now the time is also midnight 12 am, because I love this place to visit and explore in night, because there is no any kind of issue. You can visit the whole night here at the Harki Pauri. We can take the fresh wind here, cold wind, and the river of water is also flowing so cold in this time. So really it's a good place. So everyone should have must come at least one time at Harki Pauri in Haridwar. So today the city is developing industrial estate of the State Industrial Development Corporation of Uttarakhand, STDCUL, and close by township of the Bharat Heavy Electricals Limited, Bhel. So in sacred writings it has been differently specified as Kapilasthan, Gangadwar and Mayapuri. The ancient name of the Haridwar was Mayapuri. So in Sanskrit, the liturgical language of Hinduism, Hari means Vishnu while Dwar means gateway. So Haridwar translates to the gateway to Vishnu. It's earned this name because it is the place where pilgrims start their journey to visit a prominent temple of Vishnu, Badrinath, which is one of the Char Dham of India, which was built and renovated by the Adi Shankaracharya. So and Hardwar. Some people used to pronounce and recall as a Hardwar. Here Hara means Shiva and Hardwar could stand for a gateway to the Shiva because of its place to start a pilgrim's journey in order to reach the Mount Kailash and Kedarnath. So let's see the view of Haridwar, Har Ki Pauri in this time. Really, and one of the most beautiful bridge. Lots of bridges are popular here. Even in Rishikesh, Lakshman Jhula is so popular. Bridge is there along with the Ram Jhula in Rishikesh. So legendary King Bhagirathi is said to have brought the river Ganges from heaven to earth in order to provide salvation to his ancestors. So King Vikramaditya is said to have built the Har Ki Pauri in 1st century to honor his brother Bhartahari. So the Adhisthari deity of Haridwar is the goddess Maya, who is believed to be the incarnation of Shakti, which is also considered as a one Shakti Peeth of India. So let's see the view during the daytime. It's also looking so good, and one of the tallest Lord Shiva statue is also located in Haridwar and just opposite of the Har Ki Pauri. So let's see the view of the Ganges river from here, because Ganga river is divided in so many place in Haridwar, flowing from each and every parts of Haridwar, so which making so unique and so precious. Even we can see the mountains view, sky is purely also which is visible from the here. So these places was visited by the Yudhishthir, sage Agastya Muni, sage Kapil, Hensang, Guru Nanak bath at the Kusawar Ghat at Batinga Step. Mughal Emperor Akbar, who drank water which is called the water of immortality. Man Singh of Amir laid the foundation of the present-day city of Haridwar and also renovated the ghats of Har Ki Pauri. After his death, his ashes are also said to have been immersed at Har Ki Pauri. Har Ki Pauri in Brahma Kund. So Thomas, who was an English traveler who visited the city in reign of the Jahangir and mentioned it as the Haridwar, the capital of Shiva. Thomas Courgette, who visited this place also, who was an English traveler who mentioned this place as a capital of the Lord Shiva. So right now I am just walking on the Ghat of Ganges in Haridwar. So let's see the view. Lots of persons who are also taking the sacred bath and dip into the Ganges river. So it's a very good for us. So Adi Shakti, the wife of Lord Shiva, immolated herself in a kund at the Daksh Mahadev temple in Konkhal near the Haridwar. So the kund where she burned herself is now called Sati Kund. So Sati, the wife of Lord Shiva, became angry when her father Prajapati Daksh performed a yagna without inviting Lord Shiva. So then she burned herself in the yagna kund. Out of grief and sorrow, Shiva carried Sati bodies and roamed around the universe with it. So Vishnu had cut her body parts in 51 body parts using his Sudarshan Chakra, which falls on the earth to become sacred sites where all the peoples can used to say as homage to the goddess as a Shakti Peeth in India. 51 Shakti Peeth which is located